How to send video on TikTok message. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send video on TikTok message. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the inbox icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the inbox section, then what you can do is you can simply scroll down and select the chat where you want to share a video. And now here, once you're inside the chat, at the bottom you can see the gallery icon, so simply tap on it. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can simply select the video that you want to send. And here, once you have selected the video, you can just tap on send. And here, with that, the video will be sent to that person. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.